Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is white. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is green. The color of green. And the next one is black. The color of black. Kids, the last one is red. Now we are using the color of red. First we are drawing and coloring the shape of star. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Now we are using the color of white. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of white. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of pentagon. Now we are coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of yellow. The color of yellow. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Now we are using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're using the color of green. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of circle. Kids, the last one is trapezoid. Now we're coloring the shape of trapezoid. Kids, now we're using the color of red. Now we're using the color of red. The shape of trapezoid. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.